Mr. Witness, ano ang significance, if any, nitong revised accomplishment report?
Ang significance po nito, dito po naka-indicate yung specific confidential activities po na pinagamitan ng cash advance ng OBP. So, as compared po doon sa kanilang initial accomplishment report na sinubmit, wala po doon naka-indicate na specific confidential activities.
Can you tell us ano ang observation mo dito sa mga linista ni Vice President sa kanyang alleged activities to justify her confidential expenditures?
Based on this document po, some of the line items as presented po na confidential expenses ay hindi among the allowable expenses under item 4.8 of the joint circular.
Okay.
At yung items po na yun,
Ano-ano ang mga items na yon?
yung letter E po, yung provision of medical and food aid for 40 million pesos at yung payment of incentives or traveling relative to confidential operations na 10 million pesos.
Okay. Isa-isahin natin. Ano? Sinabi mo na ang hindi pwede dyan yung
Letter E and letter F po.
letter D,
E, letter E po.
E.
E and letter F.
What item is this and how much?
Yung letter E po, yung provision of medical and food aid na 40 million pesos at yung letter F na payment of incentives or traveling relative to the confidential operations na 10 million pesos.
Bakit hindi allowed ang medical expense for 40 million?
Dahil yung hindi po siya kasama dun sa enumeration nung item 4.8 at yung enumeration po na yon ay exclusive. Yun lang po yung
Exclusive.
allowable confidential expenses based on the Joint Circular 2015-01.
What do you mean when you say the enumeration in the circular is exclusive? Anong ibig sabihin ng exclusive?
Kapag sinabi pong exclusive, ay doon lang pwedeng gamitin. So other than those enumerated po, ay hindi na po siya allowed as confidential expenses.
So 40 million na gamot, hindi allowed